Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a HTTP error has occurred. Please close the client and try again. Error code 529 on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to open up your browser, and then you just need to look for server status Roblox. Select status.roblox.com and look if the servers is not down. If it's down, it will be red or yellow, and if it's fully working, as you can see here, it's green. So if it's down, what you need to do here is just wait and they will fix the problem. But if the servers are green and you're still experiencing this, let me show you how you can fix that. First thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to time and language. Then you need to go to date and time and make sure set time zone automatically is enabled and set time automatically is enabled as well. If it's not, just toggle this on. And then what you need to do next is to press sync now button and wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. And if it's still not working, Roblox is not working, then toggle off this one and select your exact time zone, and then toggle set time automatically and set a exact date and time here. And then look if the problem persists after that. And if the problem persists, then what I suggest to do here is to connect to your computer with your, for example, hotspot, if you have some cellular data, or if you have via VPN, you can also try to connect it through VPN and look if the problem persists, but it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.